Hello, this is the tree lesson number 3. So today I'm going to look at different ways of asking how are you. So this time, how are you? Ete sane. And then I'm cool. Bibiaa bɔkɔɔ. That means everything is cool. Bibiaa bɔkɔɔ. Ete sane. I'm cool. Bibiaa bɔkɔɔ. And what about you? Na won swear. And what about you? Na won swear. Everything's cool. Bibiaa bɔkɔɔ. Everything's cool. Bibiaa bɔkɔɔ. Okay. Imagine you want to ask somebody, where are you going? Where are you going? You say, wokɔ. Wokɔ. Where are you going? Wokɔ. Wokɔ. And then I'm going home. Meekɔ. As I'm going home. Meekɔ. And then I want to say that I'm going to work. It's mekɔdidi. Mekɔdidi. As I'm going to work. Mekɔdidi. What about I'm going to eat? I'm hungry. I'm going to eat. That one is mekɔdidi.